I'm going to talk through the milestones of the problem. The first milestone of the problem here is to recognize that this polynomial is not written in the proper form for the equation that we want. I'm sorry, for the form we want to use. So what do I got to put down? I got to write down x equals, it's going to be y minus 6 divided by 3. What's it going to be? Y minus 2. So my first objective is to put this in. Before I do that, though, I want to make sure that's listed for me, and that's listed right over here. The next thing I have to do is plug it in. Where do you plug it in? Into the actual equation. So it's going to be y, whoops, sorry about that. It'll be y minus 2 cubed plus 6, y minus 2, plus 27, y minus 2, minus 86 equals 0. And then you need to do a work on it, which is simplification. You need to simplify. And you should get an equation of a simple form. All right? Now, someone says, what equation would you get? You should get this. If you simplify this, you should get y cubed plus 15y minus 124. Next thing to do is identify the a, which is 15, and the b, which is minus 124, and then you're going to plug it into this formula here. Does that require work and effort? You're not kidding, it does. But what you're going to find out y is equal to 4. Now, if you use the formula, by the way, if y is equal to 4, what would x equal? X would equal 2. This is the number one reason I probably wouldn't use this technique, by the way, because it really turned out to be a rational root to that, and that would be easy, all right? Then what do? Well, if you found x equals 2 as a root, you would divide it by x minus 2 to get a quadratic. So if you divide this, whoops, I outlined that for you. Whoops, I got to do that, don't I? If you divide this by this, you'll get this. Then what do? You need to use the quadratic formula. And what are you going to get if you do that? You're going to get these complex roots. And yes, they occur in conjugate pairs. And we found the 4 roots. All right? So let's say you're at problem number 6 and you haven't done the prior problems. Do the prior problems, all right? Because now I'm just talking through it, all right? Initially, we spent more time on it. We worked through the problems. We spent less and less time. But that doesn't mean you should spend less time working your problems. Spend as much time as you need, all right? Thank you.